Hello, my name is Michel Kant, and you have just started Chapter 2 of the Basics of the Data Warehouse, part of the complete SQL and Google BigQuery Masterclass for us, marketeers. Without further ado, let's go into it. We're going to be answering some questions this chapter. It's not going to be a very long chapter, it's a theoretical chapter, the last one, before we actually will start with all the practical stuff that we'll be getting into during this masterclass. We're going to answer 3 questions this time. We're going to answer why do you want a data warehouse? And the answer basically is because you will want to have a data strategy, and it's a need to get there. When you're talking about a data strategy and managing all your data, you're also going to hear a lot about the data lake and the data warehouse. Actually, you'll also hear about the data mart, and that is something that we're going to be touching on later during the course. Now we're going to be talking about the differences between a data lake and a data warehouse in part 2 of this chapter. And then finally, we're going to answer the theoretical question on how do you get data into your data warehouse, and what is the best practice around the setup, and what are kind of the tools that we'll be looking at using to get this done. So let's get going with the next chapter, or the next part of this chapter, which is all about why we should use a data warehouse as marketeers.